Here we have a period house in Blackrock by the sea, which we are renovating and painting and decorating. Here we have the scaffolding going up, like Paul Byrne scaffolding. Here we have Nico removing any loose material around the window reveals, the mouldings there. We're stripping the door and removing paint from the parapet, the mouldings, the top of the house. You can see that the paint is falling off, so we remove all the loose material. There are several reasons for this, mainly because people in the past have not used breathable paint, or they have not primed the building properly with a low alkali primer. So we remove all the loose material and get it ready for priming. The body of the house in this case is actually quite sound. It's just all the mouldings. You can see that part of the moulding has come away when we remove the paint because it's old and brittle. So we stuck the bits back in that we could find, and we will remold them with moulding plaster. See what I mean? All paint, all loose paint removed. Bags of dust and paint. Now, Zenithor 123 primer is breathable and should stabilize the walls to take a breathable exterior paint. Here we have the primer painted on, and we are filling parts of the moulding to try to make it look a bit sharper. I mean, it won't be perfect, but it is over 150 years old, so it will still have that rustic look. We are re-puttying the windows where necessary. All gaps will be caulked. Mainly what the focus here is to make the house weatherproof from a painting and decorating perspective, as it is right by the sea and really gets punished. And what a glorious day to do it. We did further work on the basement wall there. Now we have the door is primed and had its first fill. All the mouldings have been primed and painted. More filling done on the lower walls by the basement. Now we have final coat being put on the parapet, the mouldings and the walls themselves. The mouldings and parapet are done in white, the building itself in pavilion pavilion grey by Farrow and Ball. Windows have been undercoated and ready for finishing. At least 2 undercoats. All windows are now fully glossed and finished. And again, great weather. Here we have the gate has been rust primed, undercoated and glossed. The door has been finished. The surround of the doors have been stripped and completely restored. And the building itself is now complete. We painted the lamp, the sensor, the railings, the lower door, the flower pots in front of the front door, all in the front door colour, which is railing by Farrow and Ball, just to tie the whole visual together. Fully restored period house.